What what is up, ladies and gents? This is George Bean, and today is a review for what could possibly my all-time favorite George Romero Living Dead zombie film. That, of course, being the 1985 zombie film Day of the Dead, which he made 7 years after Dawn of the Dead, between 1978 and 1985. It is the third installment in the in his original, what used to be the original Living Dead trilogy up until Land of the Dead in 2005, and was considered the black sheep of the series up until now. Now that it has gained a strong cult following, and now it, I myself, Day of the Dead is honestly my #1 personal favorite zombie film ever out of the Living Dead trilogy. So thanks for watching, ladies and gents, and I'll see you all next time. Peace!